When it comes to moving, great customer service can make all the difference. The right movers don't just move your stuff, they make the entire process less stressful and more enjoyable. So, how do you find movers who truly care about their customers? Start with research. Look for movers with strong reputations online. Check reviews on sites like movers.com, Google, and the Better Business Bureau. Pay attention to how companies respond to complaints. Professional movers handle issues respectfully and quickly. Next, talk to them directly. A good moving company should be easy to reach, friendly, and willing to answer all your questions. Notice if they listen carefully and explain things clearly. That's a sign they value customer satisfaction. Ask for a written estimate and see if they're transparent about pricing. Companies with great service don't hide fees or pressure you into quick decisions. They want you to feel confident and informed every step of the way. You can also ask for references or check how long they've been in business. Reliable movers take pride in their track record and will happily share it. At the end of the day, great customer service means trust, communication, and respect, and you deserve all three. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.